2025 is right around the corner, and if you're thinking about investing in the stock market, now's the time to get prepared. But here's the thing. The market is changing fast, and if you don't know how to navigate it, you could miss out on some incredible opportunities. So, how do you get ahead of the curve? What should beginner investors do in 2025 to ensure their money works for them? Stick around, because I'm about to break down exactly what you need to know to make smart, confident decisions this year. In the past few years, the stock market has seen massive shifts: rising interest rates, inflation, global economic uncertainty. It's been a roller coaster for many investors. But here's the big question. What does the market look like in 2025? Will we see continued volatility or a return to stability? Well, experts predict that 2025 will be a year of cautious optimism. We're expecting a more stable economic environment compared to the last few years, but there will still be challenges. Inflation might remain a concern in certain areas, and geopolitical tensions could impact global markets. So, as a beginner investor, how do you make sense of all this uncertainty? Let's dive into some strategies that can help you build a solid foundation in 2025. Alright, let's talk strategy. First up, if you're just starting, it's crucial to focus on long-term growth. This means setting aside short-term worries and thinking about your financial goals for the next 5, 10, or even 20 years. One of the safest bets in 2025 is to focus on broad market index funds like the S&P 500. These funds track a wide range of stocks, spreading your risk across different industries. Another great strategy is dollar cost averaging. This is especially useful in a volatile market. Instead of trying to time the market, something even experts struggle with, you invest a fixed amount at regular intervals. This approach helps you avoid buying too high or selling too low, and it smooths out the impact of market ups and downs. Next, let's talk about diversification. One of the biggest mistakes new investors make is putting all their money into one stock or sector. In 2025, you want to make sure your portfolio includes a mix of stocks, bonds, and even international investments to reduce risk and maximize returns over time. And don't forget about the power of compound interest. Reinvesting dividends or earnings can make a huge difference over the years, even if you start with a small investment. It's the snowball effect of wealth building. Now let's get into the sectors you should keep an eye on. 2025 will be a year of innovation and growth, especially in technology, renewable energy, and healthcare. If you're looking for high-potential investments, tech giants like AI, cloud computing, and cybersecurity are set to continue their expansion. Renewable energy is another booming area. As more countries commit to reducing carbon emissions, companies in solar, wind, and electric vehicles are likely to see massive growth. And don't sleep on healthcare, especially biotech, where breakthroughs in treatments are transforming the industry. But remember, don't just dive into these sectors without doing your research. Look for companies with solid fundamentals, long-term growth potential, and a clear roadmap for the future. While it's easy to get excited about the opportunities in 2025, it's just as important to understand and manage risk. Markets can be unpredictable, and no investment is without risk. As a beginner, never invest money you can't afford to lose. Set a budget for your investments, stick to it, and make sure to diversify your portfolio to reduce the impact of any single loss. Also, regularly review your investments. The market will change, and so will your financial goals. Adjust your strategy as needed, and don't be afraid to seek professional advice when you need it. Alright, now that you've got a good sense of the stock market outlook for 2025 and some strategies to help you get started, it's time to take action. The most important thing you can do is start. Don't wait for the perfect moment, because it may never come. So here's what I want you to do right now. Take a few minutes to comment below with your top investment goal for 2025. Are you focusing on building wealth through index funds, or are you looking into specific sectors like tech or renewable energy? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth investing content. I'll be posting more videos on strategies, tips, and how to stay ahead of market trends. Let's make 2025 your year of financial growth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.